Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the complete AI SEO roadmap, like how to rank higher in Gemini, Google AI mode, ChatGPT and Perplexity. So search is changing fast. So if you want your content to show up in these new AI driven results, here is exactly what you need to do. First of all, in this step 1, you need to focus on the intent and not the keyword. The AI tools like Gemini and ChatGPT don't just match the words, they also understand the context. For example, here instead of writing the best shoes 2025, you can write something like best shoes for marathon training in the hot weather. That matches user intent and ranks better. In the second step, you need to start strong for the Google AI mode. The first 200 words act as your summary. For example, instead of the long intros, you can start with something like this. Here are 10 hidden protein rich meal approved by the dietitians, and the AI mode is going to pick that as the factual information which is ready to display in your answer. In the third method, you just have to structure for ChatGPT and Perplexity. So these AIs love the organized content. So you can use the short sections, bold headers, and clear facts. So here, if I just use the same thing or the same prompt over here, it is going to give you the result which is more simple and more scalable. The next thing that you need to keep is the building authority. So AI search ranks brand that appear consistently. So you can post across YouTube, Medium and LinkedIn so that AI connects your identity with expertise. AI SEO isn't one time. You can refresh your article, update the examples and keep your facts current. So this is how, by keeping all of these things in mind, your AI SEO roadmap will be ready. If this video helped you out, make sure that you drop a comment. You can also just subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.